the cessation. In the name of the law, the compassionate, the merciful, when the sun ceases to shine, when the stars fall down and the mountains are blown away, when camels big with young are left unattended, and the wild beasts are brought together, when seas are set alight and men's souls are reunited, when the infant girl buried alive is asked for what crime she was slain, when the records of men's deeds are laid open and the heaven is stripped bare, when hell burns fiercely and paradise is brought near, then each soul will know what it has done. I swear by the turning planets and by the stars that rise and set, by the night when it descends in the first breath of morning. This is the word of a gracious and mighty messenger, held in honor by the Lord of the throne, obeyed in heaven, faithful to his trust. Know your compatriot is not mad. He saw him on the clear horizon. He does not grudge the secrets of the unseen, nor is this the utterance of an accursed devil. Whither then are you going? This is but an admonition to all men, to those among you that have the will to be upright. Yet you cannot will except by the will of Allah, Lord of the universe. Now, one of the things that we have here is the, what's it called? So the Quran was actually in visions and stuff, but we have the words. And we have hints of other visions that were more than just, the few verses or whatever, or maybe even without Quranic verses, or even a hadith Qudsi. God said, Muhammad said that God said, basically, it's a hadith Qudsi. So Surah 53, Surah 17, Surah 81 here, and an interesting side note is whether East or West, the non-Muslim countries, abortion focuses on female children. Now, I'm not saying that abortion Islamically is completely forbidden or completely not forbidden, but the focus in China, in America, in Europe, and if you say Russia's part of Europe or not, it focuses on the female. Somebody finds out they have a female, they're more likely to have an abortion.